Hey there, fellow food lovers! Today I'm going to share my absolute favorite potato salad recipe that never fails to steal the show at family gatherings and summer barbecues. Trust me, once you try this version, you'll never go back to store-bought again. Let's start with the star of the show, potatoes. You'll want to grab about 2 pounds of Yukon Gold potatoes. They're perfect because they're waxy enough to hold their shape, but still creamy enough to give you that melt-in-your-mouth texture we all love. Here's a game-changing tip most people don't know. Instead of boiling your potatoes whole, cut them into bite-sized pieces before cooking. This way, they'll cook evenly and absorb all those amazing flavors we're going to add later. Now here's where my secret weapon comes in. We're going to add the dressing while the potatoes are still warm. I know it sounds crazy, but warm potatoes are like tiny sponges that soak up all that delicious flavor. It's literally a game changer. For the dressing, we're making a perfect balance of creamy and tangy. Mix together good quality mayonnaise, a splash of apple cider vinegar, some Dijon mustard, and here's another secret, a tiny dollop of sour cream. It adds this incredible richness that everyone will notice but won't be able to identify. Don't forget the add-ins. Finely diced celery for crunch, red onion for zip, and fresh dill for that burst of herby freshness. Oh, and my grandmother's secret touch? A sprinkle of celery seeds. They add this amazing depth that makes people go, what is that? Season it well with salt and pepper, and here's the hardest part. You've got to let it chill for at least 2 hours. I know it's tempting to dive right in, but trust me, this resting time lets all those flavors mingle and get to know each other. One last pro tip. Before serving, taste it again and adjust the seasoning. Potatoes love salt, and when they're cold, you might need a little extra to make all those flavors pop. And there you have it. The perfect potato salad that'll have everyone begging for the recipe. Just remember to smile mysteriously and keep some of those secrets to yourself.